Hello and welcome to Movie Mania 3000. Today we'll talk over that what we can actually see in the new Disney Plus series Loki. The new Loki series will take its title character on a time-hopping adventure, giving the god of mischief the perfect opportunity to mess with everything and especially his brother's life and legacy. This Disney Plus original is set to premiere in May 2021 with Tom Hiddleston returning as the fan favorite trickster. It is set after Avengers Endgame time heist, in which the 2012 version of Loki managed to steal the Tesseract and escape the Shield custody. He traveled away from the scene via a wormhole, creating an alternate timeline in the process. After a rough landing in a deserted area, Loki was discovered by Time Variance Authority. The TVA or Time Variance Authority is finally introduced in the MCU after the mayhem caused by Loki's time travel. In comics, the TVA, where the time doesn't exist, claims responsibility for monitoring the multiverse and can prune timelines if they are deemed too dangerous to exist. They also take action to prevent other beings from altering the past or future. Though most details and plot holes are still unknown of Loki trailer, this trailer featured the Asgardian traveling through a mixture of mysterious settings spanning space and time, causing mayhem wherever he went. The god of mischief will even toy with human history, apparently even taking the place of plane hijacker D.B. Cooper. Along with altering the past, Loki could also set his sights on the future, especially his brother Thor's legacy. In the comics, the real version of Thor Odinson did have two sons, Magni and Modi. The brothers sacrificed themselves after their grandfather Odin was killed during Ragnarok in order to bring him back to life, but have yet to be reborn as the Ragnarok cycle began anew.
You're taking me somewhere to kill me.
In a parallel universe, Thor has a daughter named Thoran, who takes up her father's superhero mantle and fights on a team assembled from other superpowered kids of other well-known heroes. In a third alternate future, it is Magni who inherits the hammer as the god of strength. Marvel Ultimates universe also features a villainous Modi who attempts to use the Mind Gem to topple America and establish New Asgard in its place. While Thor children are still underexplored within the comics, this gives MCU a blank canvas to work with them when it comes to their personality and powers. Having multiple kids across continuities also allows Loki to explore further branching timelines. Even making minor changes could result in entirely different futures for Thor and his family. Perhaps one timeline could feature Thor descendants taking back New Asgard's throne, but another could see Thor's kids removing themselves completely from the royal lineage. Their mothers could also vary by timeline, as well being either Lady Sif or Jane Foster kids. They would also keep Thor's true fate as a mystery, leaving room for more of his story to be told in his own movies. Loki could even explore the destinies of characters other than Thor, giving MCU a chance to introduce some of its future-based heroes to the MCU, even as quick cameos. Shows like The Falcon and the Winter Soldier and Armor Wars will explore the legacies of some of its most iconic characters, but Loki's time travel could introduce a world where all of its established characters have long passed away, and answer the question who will replace them when they are gone is still unanswered. This series seems really promising and I am totally eager to see this. So that's all from the video. Hope you enjoyed. If yes, then leave a like and leave your opinions in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos like this.